What is up, guys? And in today's video, we are on I Am Cat day 4. And today we're doing the Butcher's map. Now, this one might be boring, but also could be fun. I have no idea. Alright, I'm in the butcher shop now, bro. If you're talking to someone, I'm talking to Silly Scyfish. I bet, bro. I... Dude, this guy looks creepy. He looks creepy. I see why he runs a butcher's shop. Give me a burger. Oh my god, dude, I broke the glass. Oh, wait, what? Oh, if I just... You know what? If he gets over here, I'm throwing a glass at him. Flip this sign to open. Okay. Butcher Vanity. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, how dare you. Turn on the string lights. Excuse me, the string lights? Oh, those. Where's the light switch for them? Seriously, where's the light switch for the thing? Oh, I see it. But, wait, yeah. What does it mean put trash? Oh, I see it. It's dead mice. If you go to the trash can, you can clear 2 of them, and then the last piece of trash is on top of the bin. Yeah, the bin. Yeah, I'm British. No, I'm not actually. But I do have kind of a British accent. I'm not Irish. Okay. Open the display case with a key. The display case? I haven't even seen the display case. Already broke. Wait. Oh, I see the key. Where's the display box? Oh, I see what it means. But what? Oh, I guess this one takes a different thing. Bring the steak to the cutting board. Uh-huh. Okay. Which one's the steak? Is it the red one with like blue on it? Oh wait, it's above. No, I don't know why I thought it was. What? What did he do? What? Yeah, dude, he runs a butcher shop. He's gonna try and butcher us, bro. Scream and run. $50. Dang. Wait, hold on. Can I blind my ball? Oh no, I can't. Cut steak with knife. You know what a display case is, right? I'm not gonna have to tell you. What the frick is Nelton? Oh, hair grow. Oh, we're gonna give him hair and then shave it off for a quest, I'm guessing. That would be funny if it is. Steaks on the second floor in the display case. Bring the hold on, I'll be back. I gotta go use the bathroom. Okay, I'm back. Bring the sausage. Bring the sausage to the display case. I'll make sausage out of dropped ingredients. What does this say? Dropped or chopped? Chopped ingredients. Okay. Yeah. There is? Have you ever experienced uppies, bro? For a price tag on a sausage. Wait, where's the price tag gun? Oh my god. They shouldn't have given me this power, bro. I put, okay. No, oh, okay. You know, surprisingly, he's only got mad at me once. Sir, put the knives down. Put the knives down. Oh. The attic? Since when? Get into the attic. Yeah, I have that. Oh, I see it. What? Mm-hmm. I'm on top of I'm in the attic. Dude. Oh, I found it. Connect the plugs. Why is there planting soil? Okay. Enter the wait. Turn on all the light bulbs. How the heck am I supposed to do that? Remember you told me about the freezer? Yeah, there's puzzle pieces scattered all around the map. Basically, what those are is one of the quests you're gonna have to do a puzzle, probably towards the end. Yeah, it's a whole puzzle. Precisely. I know where most pieces are, though. Most pieces are up in the attic. Now, I gotta find the cables now. Connect the plugs correctly. What? What? Yeah. What? 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 What is this? You just gotta flick all the levers after you've plugged in all of them, I think. Unless there's a certain order you have to flick. Down, up, up. A. Oh. Same. Oh, dude. Oh, there's targets we're gonna have to hit. We're gonna have to use the slingshot. Turn on the refrigerator. I see that. Yeah, you gotta. I'm gonna put it in. Wait. You know what? It's 0 degrees in here now. What? Hmm? Alrighty. You know, I just realized I broke something in the freezer. Does that mean he's gonna try and get me? Wait, can he even get in the freezer? Oh. Bring the food to the refrigerator. What? Oh, is it this? Let's just bring the food to the refrigerator. Does it mean bring the meat that's all over the counter? Yeah, okay, this is gonna take a little bit then. Is there a specific spot I gotta put them in? Alright, I'm just gonna put them on the main shelf then. Excuse me, is that a whole chicken? My question is, why is there a whole chicken, bro? Why did you see the Fortnite notification? Noise. Is that it? That's a whole pig's head. Dang. Stan. I think there's like one piece of meat I missed over here. There's a couple pieces. I'm just gonna eat the small pieces. Help him. Get up. Nice. I'm putting Mr. Octopus in his little container. Oh my god. I keep getting stuck on the big meat thing. Make snowballs. Oh no. Great, I gotta hit the targets. Bruh. I see what you mean by this quest is not easy. Yeah, I know. But you're giving the octopus $100, bruh. Yeah, for sure. Okay, yeah, it hit that target. Alright. They're getting on top of the refrigerator with Candace on what to do. Pretty sure we might almost be done. How did that not count? I definitely hit that target, bro. Okay, hold on. Bruh. I suck at this snowball quest. It's just like my aim in Fortnite, bro. I mean, my aim ain't really that bad, but it's not good either. Well, yeah, I know that. Okay. Which Power Ranger are you? Take this quirky quiz. I'm not gonna finish that song because I'll get demonetized. Bro, I turned and Hold on, how'd you hit it from the top of the refrigerator if it's behind it? Oh. Okay. Oh, no. Oh my god. Oh, it did count. Okay. Dude, you are so far ahead of me right now. Can I get out of this freezer? It's freezing in there. Oh, I'm gonna have to go through the ventilation system, I think. Break into the ventilation, that's easy. I've already done that before, game. Hold on, how did... I broke into the vento... Dude, oh! What is it? I got a lighter! Light it. Where the heck am I supposed to get money, sir? Sir, where do you want me to get money? Why did I think about that? I have to go all the way back in this stupid van. All because an octopus wants money. Sir, I'm here to make your life worse. Eight 5914677. That's my phone number. Not actually. I don't even know my phone number by... No. We're not saying my phone number. Living. Cook a burger? Where am I? Oh, sir, you literally just came down here. How'd your tentacles get taken off? The butcher ain't even in here. Oh, yeah, fair point. Alright, I gotta go find the burger buns. I'll see them. So toast it. Wait, I gotta cut the burger bun. Then I gotta. Dog go Doug. I wonder what would happen if I tried to fry burger bun. Is that literally how you? That's literally how you toast it, isn't it? I'll put it on the oil. No. Give me my bun. I'm in my mom's car. Vroom, vroom. I see them everywhere. Bro, what do you mean they're not toasted? Oh, yeah. Oh, tap. So you said you just put it on the stove, right? make burger. See guys, I can totally cook. So make a burger. Cook the cheese. I don't know how this is working, but I'm cooking cheese, bro. Okay, I made a burger. Now I gotta cook some fries. Dude, this is gonna take so long to do. We don't know what time it is. We don't know what time it is. We don't know what time it is. Hooray! He is a butcher. Alright, I made some fries. What? Oh, do you have to break bottles, I'm guessing? Yep. Breaking bottles should be easy. There's 2 in the house. I just broke a glass so I could turn on the faucet, bro. Well, alright, assemble the octopus. Easy. Oh yeah, also guys, I'm probably gonna do another video on the Stalker mod today. I don't know if Silly Scyfish is, after what he experienced. What happened? Oh, no, you just watched someone's head get blown off in front of you. And while screaming at the top of their lungs. Oh, sorry, sir. I accidentally broke 2 of your mother's plates. Wait, actually. Oh my god. What? Dude, wait, where's his last octopus swag? Hey, let me in! Oh, man. I'm trying to find the last octopus swag. Oh, wait, the cabinet? I didn't know there was one in the cabinet. Oh, that one. I didn't know. There was... Oh, there is one. That's the last one I'm missing. Excuse me? Wait, his legs can get oh, the octopus? Well, he deserved it. Break the cracked wall in the kitchen. Is he gonna get mad at me over this? Probably. Alright, I gotta go break some bottles. No, you wouldn't think there'd be bottles in here because it's a butcher shop, you know? Why? Dude, what do you mean the bottles are hard to find? Yeah, I'm in the kitchen. There's so many here. You know what the egg is, right? I'm not gonna have to tell you. Okay. Oh, whoa, he's chasing me. Get knocked back, sir. Snap back to me. Yo, wait, where'd the pink? Ah, Kate, get me now. Ah, God, dude, the butcher looks so scary, dude. Scatter the bread. Where's the bread? Oh, why didn't I think about that? No, when you say kitchen, do you mean butcher shop, bro? Scatter money. Yeah. And to break the wall. Titanium. Turn off the refrigerator. Alright, I'm speed running. I don't know. Is there a crack in it? You better run. He gonna chase you like the Popo, bro. I'm gonna. No, you know, it's like we're closing up for the day. Break 5 vases. Where the frick are the vases? I see pots, but not vases. Sir. Sir, what are these pots made out of? Be honest. Are they... I'm breaking flower pots to see if it counts. No. I demand to speak with my attorney, sir. He just broke glass. Okay, quit sounding like Crazy Dave for a second, bud. I'm off. Ready? Love you, Ma. Dude, he hit me while I was under a cabinet. He's got aimbot. What the heck? Bro, he's got aimbot, I'm telling you. But I see he doesn't calm down as easy as Granny. Alright, I've broken 2 vases. Where are the rest of them, though? I see flower pots. Not enough. They don't for me. No, I don't even know what he says half the time. Literally. Alright, I broke all the... Well. Tastes weird. Hold on. Can you put these two in my bag or something? No. Oh, so you're out. I gotta get the hammer real quick. I think I'm on the last set of quests where it's like the vase and stuff. Yeah, so, okay, Silly Sidefish has finished his, and now I gotta finish mine. Yep. Broke the glass. Now, where are all the vases, though, is my question. What? 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 Dude, why are you chasing me? Hey! Scattered buttons on the floor. Button? Where are the buttons? Oh, so I gotta go back to the attic. Dang. Mine's probably gonna be an hour because I'm a little bit. I'm not that far. I don't think, bro. I'm levitating. Bro, I started levitating. I'm gonna have to go back to the secret room. This series has been really fun, though. I've never been to the mill. Oh. Angry Janet? Oh. Dude, wait. How did I get to the attic? Oh, that's how. No, I low-key forgot how I got to the attic for a second. Yeah. So wait, you're telling me there's nothing there's nothing with the puzzle pieces? Dang. Video is still really long though. Alright, I'm still... Oh, I'm so sorry. I might have to do 2 parts of the mail because of how long it is. Alright, I gotta go find the buttons now. Oh, they're right here. But scattered buttons on the floor, that's what I did. The little thumbtack things, right? So it's like... How'd you know? I got him. I'm just dropping them from the Yeti. Alrighty. Flip the sign to closed. We're going. Throw an egg at the entrance, and then this should be the end. Where are the eggs again? I forgot. Wait, they're right back. Where are the eggs? Dude, where? Silly Cyfish. Where are the eggs? Chopping board? Wait, yeah, they are. You okay, Ma? Alright. Oi! Alright, be safe. I'll send to my mom. Wait, there's no way. Was it his fault or the other driver's fault? I don't know what he did. Oh. Technically, I gotta find the key card now. Yeah, I know. I'm looking through the attic. What? Hold on, wait, where is the key card? So excited. Where in the attic? Oh, I see it. Alright, and then I gotta get over here. Alright, guys, and I will show you a little bit of the mill before I go. Pretty sure, don't you have to go to like the meat freezer or something? You have to go to the house? Okay. Whew. Well, I'm gone, sir. Have a nice day. /down. Alright guys, after I show you what the mill looks like, I will end this video. Have a nice day, or night, or evening, depending on where you live. I will probably make a couple more videos later on today. But this is what the mill looks like. And that's all you get to see. Goodbye.